So here I am going to discuss about the WBCS Prelims 2021 question paper with analysis. Mainly I am going to discuss the science part. Okay, I will analyze all those science questions. So here you can see the first question, question number 32. Okay, the pure silicon at 0 Kelvin. So what happens actually whenever we decreases the temperature of a semiconductor, it goes towards insulator means it acts as a insulator. Okay, so pure silicon at 0 Kelvin temperature insulator, that means it does not transmit the electricity. Okay, so pure silicon is obviously a semiconductor in normal temperature, but when we decrease the temperature to 0 Kelvin, that means minus 273 degrees Celsius, minus 273 degrees Celsius, that is 0 Kelvin. In that temperature it acts as a insulator. Okay, so next question. So see, wait, sorry for the this. So see, question number 37. So here the velocity ratio of hour hand and minute hand. So hour hand completes the full rotation, means 360 degree angle in 12 hours. Okay, and minute hand in 1 hour. So the ratio is obviously 12:1. So next question, see this one, question number 39. So ratio of the RMS speed and the most probable speed for molecules. So this is fully formula based. We know the RMS speed is written as √3 RT by m, and for most probable speed it is √2 RT by m. So this is obviously √3 to √2 the ratio. Okay, remaining part is same. Okay, so next question here, see this one. So question number 49, here hydraulic press is based on. So Pascal's law is actually saying that whenever we apply a pressure on any part of a container which is having the liquid or maybe water, the applied pressure is circulated throughout the container, means everywhere the same pressure is exerted. This is the Pascal's law, and this pressure law is used in hydraulic press. Okay, so hydraulic press is written pressure related things. Okay, so this is only information based. Okay, so next question here. Okay, wait for some time. Okay, so see here, if the length of the filament of a heater is reduced by 10%, question number 61. Okay, so filament, the length of the filament is increasing, no, sorry, reduced by 10%. So 10% decrease and the power of the filament. So what is the relation? Actually power is equals to VI, voltage into electric current I. So V is equals to again IR, means electric current into resistance of the heater. Okay, so IR means it is coming P is equals to power is equals to I square R. So if I is constant, then P proportional to R, and R is also proportional to R is equals to, we know resistance is equals to rho L by A. So L the length is proportional to resistance. So thus power is proportional to this one, means filament length. So that's why same decrease will be seen. So next question number 62, dry ice. So dry ice actually it is not a ice. In case of ice, we know that water molecules are present in solidified form, but in case of dry ice it is actually solidified carbon dioxide. So solidified carbon dioxide means usually carbon dioxide occurs as a gas in the atmosphere, but when we decrease the temperature and increase the pressure at a higher level, then it transformed from gas to solid. That solidified gas, carbon dioxide gas, is known as dry ice. Okay, so question number 63, the freezing chest in refrigerator. So upper part is freezing chest. What is the purpose of keeping that in the upper part? So actually it cools the remaining space by the process of conduction. So what is the conduction, convection and radiation? So conduction means when temperature flows from one part to another part by not moving the particles of the medium. Okay, that is conduction. And convection means when particles of the medium moves from one part to another part to transmit the heat energy. Okay, so see question number 78. A battery consists of 10 cells. So 10 cell is there, and every cell is having EMF of 1 volt. 2 cells are wrongly, so 2 cells wrongly connected means these 2 cells will definitely minimize or neutralize another 2 cells, so thus 4 cells ineffective. So thus 10 minus 4 means 6, so 6 cells effectively working, so 6 cells means 6 volt. That's why answer is C. Okay, next question. Wait. So this one, 101, question number 101. Here what we see, a heavy body and a light body. Okay, same kinetic energy. So we know that kinetic energy is equals to p square by 2m. So p square is equals to 2 into m into kinetic energy. 2 into m is the mass, so kinetic energy is same, so p square is proportional to mass of the body, because here kinetic energy constant, so it is proportional relationship. So higher the heavy body has greater momentum. Okay, wait for some time. And okay, so this one, on question number 121, a pendulum clock correct time on the earth, it is taken to moon. So if it is taken to moon, the g, the acceleration due to gravity, is decreased, and it becomes 1/6 of the g in the earth, on the earth. Okay, so we know that the time period t is equals to 2 pi root L by g. So here g is decreasing, so g is decreasing means t is increasing, so t is increasing means slower it goes. Okay, time period is increasing means slower, so root 6 times slower. D option is correct. Okay, so here question number 123. So spring constant was k, and it is cut into 2 equal halves, so every equal half will have 2k amount of spring constant. Okay, so thank you all.